Hello. Hi, guys. If you're looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you know, my focus is early retirement, and after doing research, I found building digital assets online is the way to go. I've already started this journey by starting my YouTube channel. So let's dig into today's video. Today's video is about 5 ways to set up your business for success. So, as you know, digital real estate, like I said, is the focus, and there's many aspects to digital real estate. But today we're just going to talk about the basics of when you begin to set up your business. If you have a website or whatever, um, this is give you some insight of where do you need to go, how to get started, and the steps that need to be taken. Okay, so the first thing you need to do: verify your website, blog, or Shopify store. Okay? You need to confirm ownership of your site so that you have access to Google's private search data. The next thing is setting up Google Analytics. There are 4 steps to setting up Google Analytics, and the first one is sign up for a free Google Analytics account. Now, in order to create an analytic account, you need to go to google.com/analytics. Click Get Started Today, and if you already have a Google Analytics account, just sign in. The next step you would need to do is create your Google Analytics property. A property is a blog, a mobile application, or a website that is associated with a tracking ID. And that tracking ID is going to help you to determine where your traffic is coming from which website and platform. The next step in setting up a Google Analytics property is get your Google Analytics tracking code. A tracking code is an identifier that allows Google to collect data from your blog once it's inserted into your website. The next step would be to install Google Analytics on your website. In order to do that, you're going to have to sign into your account, click Admin, and in the account column, select Create Account. Click the mobile app or website setup, and under settings, click on set up your account and then set up your property. Next, you're going to want to enter the website or app name. Select your industry category and then select your time zone. The next step for having a successful website would be research your competition. And I know you might say, well, how am I able to do that? Very simple. There are so many websites out on the market that you can use, but one that I am familiar with is called Similar Web. And what is Similar Web? Similar Web allows you to see competitors' top traffic sources, including referral sites, social traffic, and top search keywords, just to mention a few. Now, you can start with a free trial with Social Web, but do understand that with a free trial, you will be limited to the access and information that you are given. There's also a paid option as well. Next is to develop systems early on in your business. It is very important that you establish systems as soon as possible within your business. This helps when the time comes to expand your business, you're able to outsource tasks to others more efficiently. So basically, when you set up and have an understanding of how you want your business to operate on a day-to-day business, and you have a system set up, you have software in place, and you know which days you're doing this, which days you're doing that, what softwares you're using, what websites to go to. When you have all that in place, when you get to a point to where you're able to expand your business and hire assistants and hire help, these systems will come in handy for you, so that you will be able to easily transfer the tasks that you were doing onto them. So it'll make your training efforts a lot more simpler. Okay? So, guys, if you are new to internet marketing and looking to retire early, then check out my number one business model that I am using to grow my business down in the description box below. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. See you next time on the next video.